Welcome learners. In this video, we will continue exercise 7.2 based on angles formed by parallel lines and a transversal. Question number 4 is, in figures 1 to 8, a pair of parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Find A and B. Give reasons. Please remember, to solve these questions, there are various ways, but only one of them is given here. इन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए एक से ज्यादा तरीके हो सकते हैं. आपको जो सूटेबल लगता है आप उससे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. So you can see here angle 40 and angle B. These both angles are corresponding angles which are on the same side of the transversal, and these two angles are above the parallel lines. Hence they are corresponding. So angle B is equals to 40 degree. Also, since these two lines are parallel, angle A and angle B are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles वो होते हैं जो ट्रांसवर्सल के alternate साइड पर होते हैं. एक लेफ्ट साइड पर होता है और एक राइट हैंड साइड पर होता है. दोनों पैरेलल लाइंस के इंटीरियर साइड में अंदर के तरफ होते हैं. So A is equals to B and angle B is equals to 40. So we have substituted the value of angle B over here. Hence angle A is equals to 40 degree. Moving on to second part, angle A and angle 60 degree, they both are alternate interior angles. So A is equals to 60 degree. Now you can see B and 60 degree, they both are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles वो होते हैं जो ट्रांसवर्सल के एक ही तरफ होते हैं और दोनों पैरेलल लाइंस के अंदर साइड होते हैं. So co-interior angles are supplementary. Hence B plus 60 degree is equals to 180 degree. Transferring 60 on the other side, B is equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree. 180 minus 60 will give you 120 degree. Hence B is equals to 120 degree. Part 3. Here you can see B and 80 degree are corresponding angles. So B is equals to 80 degree. Also A and B are alternate interior angles. So A is equals to B. Substituting the value of B as 80 degree, A is equals to 80 degree. यहाँ पर आप A और 80 डिग्री वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स भी ले सकते हैं. पार्ट 4, 72 and angle A are alternate interior angles. Hence A is equals to 72 degree. B and 72 degree are corresponding angles. So B is equals to 72 degree. Part 5, B and 100 degree are corresponding angles. Hence B is equals to 100 degree. Now you can see A and B, these both angles form a linear pair. एक straight line पे दो एंगल मिलकर 180 डिग्री का सम बनाएंगे. So angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. Substituting the value of B as 100, A plus 100 is equals to 180 degree. Transferring 100 to the other side will change its sign and you will get A is equals to 80 degree. Part 6, B and 102 degree. These both are corresponding angles. Hence, B is equal to 120 degree. 102 degree and A, they forms a line. Hence, A and 102 degree are linear pair or straight angles. Thus, the sum of A and 102 degree will give you 180 degree. Transferring 102 to the other side will change its sign. A is equal to 78 degree. Part 7, you can see B and 62 degree are corresponding angles. So we got B is equal to 62 degree. Now you can see B and A are forming a straight line. Hence, the sum of B and A will be 180 degree. They are forming a linear pair or straight angles. So A plus B is equal to 180 degree. Substituting the value of B as 62 degree. Transferring 62 degree on the other side, I will have A is equal to 180 degree minus 62 degree. That will give you the value of A as 118 degree. Part 8, B is equal to 130 degree. They are vertically opposite angles. So B is equal to 130 degree. Now you can see A and 30 degree are co-interior angles. They are lying on the interior side of the parallel lines and on the same side of the transversal. So these two co-interior angles will be supplementary. A plus 130 is equal to 180 degree. Transferring 130 to the other side will change its sign. You will get A is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. The value of A will be 50 degree. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.